Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a Tuesday morning haul for you guys. You guys know that Ada, the Paper Treasury, she shops for me when she goes to her Tuesday morning. So I got my package and I want to share it with you guys to show you what I got. We still have the Maggie Holmes rave going on, but I did tell Ada today that on our next trip to Tuesday morning, I want to kind of go more for the Easter stuff. So I want to get some Easter like paper collections, the collection kits, I think is what they're called, where you get the paper and like the stickers and stuff like that. So I'm excited for that. We're going on Wednesday and I'm super excited because I think I'm a little bit not Maggie Holmes out, but I feel like my cart is looking pretty good already. So I feel like this kind of like seals my cart the way I wanted. I got what I needed and what I've been looking for. So first things first, I got these super cute little embellishments from Dear Lizzie. This is what they look like. They're so cute, you guys. We're gonna open them up and see what they look like. They look like little bobby pins. They actually are bobby pins, right? This is metal bobbies, but they have like little words, like the little hair clips. How cute are these? And you could just like stick them in a flip book or something, or like a tag. These are super cute and they're heavy. So I got those. I got a bunch of bows from Heidi Swap. As you can see, I got the gold ones. Look at the sparkle on that. So pretty. And you get so many. You get 12 bows, you guys, for $1.49. That is a great deal. That's why I picked all of them up. Look at this nice like mint green and then like the teal blue. I got some pink ones and you get some like glitter papered ones. You get some fabric ones. So pretty. You guys know I had to get the pink ones. And then of course some black and white ones. Well, black and silver and black and white. Love the polka dots, the stripes. So I got that. I got the acrylic shapes by Schimmel, and these are so cute. You can like paint them or just use them as is. So cute. Let's see what they look like out of the packaging. Oh wow, look at that, you guys. Pretty. So you get like a air balloon, a flower, some hearts, a butterfly, some clouds, the word shine, and then some stars. So cute and not bad for $1.49. These were like I think $5.99 or $4.99 on scrapbook.com when they first came out. I wanted to get them. I really wanted all of them. I had all of them in my cart, but then I was just like, just for like these 4 packs, it was like 20 something dollars. I was like, yeah, no. We're just gonna put those back, Lily. Make your own bows. And look, I ended up with them anyway because Ada's the best and she hooked it up. Now you guys, I have gotten pretty much everything that's came out from Tuesday morning of Maggie Holmes, thanks to Ada and thanks to a lot of my other crafty friends, but I was missing the stamps, and in this trip she found every single one of them. And I think, you know, I just got, hold on one second, I'm gonna go get one out of my cart. Let me see something. Oh wow, what are the odds? You guys, these are the ones that Ada got for me, and my friend Alicia sent me this one. So now I think I have the complete set. Can you believe that? I thought it was gonna be a double and it's not. Look, you guys. So I got this one from Alicia in some Happy Mail. And this one is the carousel one. And then these are the ones that Ada sent me. Look how cute. They don't say like which collections they go to, but you kind of can figure it out with like, I think this is Chasing Dreams. And then this one could also be Chasing Dreams. Then we have this one, tons of floral. This one could be Carousel because you see the little ticket. And then there's this one. More sunshine and flowers. These are so pretty, you guys. This one is definitely Gather. And then we have this one, which can also be Chasing Dreams. And then look at this one. And this one has the deer, so I think this one is Gather as well. So I have all the stamps. If I'm missing one, let me know down below, you guys, so that I can make sure to find it. Because I'm not a big stamper, but I definitely wanted to have these in my stash. I don't know if it was because I was watching everybody's videos and everybody hauling them, and I was just like, I need them. So I'm so happy. And I still can't believe that the one that Alicia sent me is not even one of the ones that I bought with Ara. That's crazy. Thank you, Alicia, if you're watching. And then I also got the Carousel 6x8. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this a million times. But I have 2 of these and both of them are picked through, so I wanted to get a new one just to have in my stash. I also picked up these pink thickers. I don't have anything like it. It's kind of like washed out. You see that? Like wood paneling type? I don't know. It's almost like rubbed off. I like it. So cute. Don't have anything like it. And it's pink. You guys know I love me some pink. And then I got 2 chipboards. I got another Chasing Dreams because I only have one, so now I have a backup. And then I got another confetti, which is my favorite. This is my favorite collection of Maggie Holmes, so of course I now have like 5 of these. I absolutely love this collection, the colors, everything about it. And then last but not least, I could have sworn I had the Gather paper pad. Even the 6x6 I can't find. I don't know what happened to it. If it's here, I don't know where it's at, but I found the 12x12 and I'm super excited. I do own the digital collection, but I also wanted to have the paper pad, so I picked this one up. I love the swan paper, so pretty. So I'm thinking about making some sewn rosettes that the Papery Box posted on Instagram. And I was obsessed with the paper that she used, and I couldn't figure out what was the paper that she used, and it was Maggie Holmes Gather. So I am excited to make some of those with that paper pad. But yeah, you guys, this is my Tuesday morning haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.